百分之，百分之，百分之。
percent,
percent,
苹果新鲜吗？苹果新鲜吗？苹果新鲜吗？
are the apples fresh?
are the apples fresh?
百分之百新鲜，百分之百新鲜，百分之百新鲜。
100% fresh,
100% fresh.
公司今年的营业额比去年增长了20%。公司今年的营业额比去年增长了20%。公司今年的营业额比去年增长了20%。
the company's turnover this year increased by 20% compared with last year.
The company's turnover this year increased by 20% compared with last year.
在产品质量检验中，合格产品数量占产品总数的98%。在产品质量检验中，合格产品数量占产品总数的98%。在产品质量检验中，合格产品数量占产品总数的98%。
In product quality inspection, the number of qualified products accounted for 98% of the total number of products.
In product quality inspection, the number of qualified products accounted for 98% of the total number of products.
倍，倍，倍。
Times,
Times.
这里的东西比超市贵2倍。这里的东西比超市贵2倍。这里的东西比超市贵2倍。
things here are twice as expensive as in supermarkets.
Things here are twice as expensive as in supermarkets.
昨天才4块钱，今天的价格是昨天的2倍。昨天才4块钱，今天的价格是昨天的2倍。昨天才4块钱，今天的价格是昨天的2倍。
Yesterday it was only 4 yuan, today the price is twice as much as yesterday.
Yesterday it was only 4 yuan, today the price is twice as much as yesterday.
在休息日或节假日加班，应当支付3倍工资。在休息日或节假日加班，应当支付3倍工资。在休息日或节假日加班，应当支付3倍工资。
Overtime work on rest days or holidays shall be paid 3 times the salary.
Overtime work on rest days or holidays shall be paid 3 times the salary.
皮肤，皮肤，皮肤。
Skin,
Skin.
皮肤是人体最大的器官。皮肤是人体最大的器官。皮肤是人体最大的器官。
Skin is the largest organ of the human body.
Skin is the largest organ of the human body.
多吃蔬菜水果，对皮肤有好处。多吃蔬菜水果，对皮肤有好处。多吃蔬菜水果，对皮肤有好处。
Eat more fruits and vegetables, which is good for your skin.
Eat more fruits and vegetables, which is good for your skin.
水果中含有丰富的维生素 C， 可以滋润皮肤。水果中含有丰富的维生素 C， 可以滋润皮肤。水果中含有丰富的维生素 C， 可以滋润皮肤。
Fruits are rich in vitamin C, which can moisturize the skin.
Fruits are rich in vitamin C, which can moisturize the skin.
好处，好处，好处。
Benefit,
Benefit.
每天锻炼身体对身体有很多好处。 每天锻炼身体对身体有很多好处。每天锻炼身体对身体有很多好处。
Exercising every day has many benefits for the body.
Exercising every day has many benefits for the body.
酗酒和抽烟对身体没有好处。酗酒和抽烟对身体没有好处。酗酒和抽烟对身体没有好处。
Drinking alcohol and smoking are not good for your body.
Drinking alcohol and smoking are not good for your body.
为了减肥而不吃晚饭，对健康没有好处。为了减肥而不吃晚饭，对健康没有好处。为了减肥而不吃晚饭，对健康没有好处。
Skipping dinner in order to lose weight is not good for your health.
Skipping dinner in order to lose weight is not good for your health.
尝，尝，尝。
Taste.
Taste.
这些水果都很新鲜，你先尝一个。这些水果都很新鲜，你先尝一个。这些水果都很新鲜，你先尝一个。
These fruits are very fresh, you try one first.
These fruits are very fresh, you try one first.
这是你做的甜品，我先尝尝。这是你做的甜品，我先尝尝。这是你做的甜品，我先尝尝。
Is this the dessert you made? I'll try it first.
Is this the dessert you made? I'll try it first.
快来尝尝我的芝士蛋糕吧！快来尝尝我的芝士蛋糕吧！快来尝尝我的芝士蛋糕吧！
Come and try my cheesecake.
Come and try my cheesecake.
轻，轻，轻。
Light. Not heavy.
Light. Not heavy.
这个铁箱很重，那个纸箱很轻。这个铁箱很重，那个纸箱很轻。这个铁箱很重，那个纸箱很轻。
This iron box is very heavy, and that cardboard box is very light.
This iron box is very heavy, and that cardboard box is very light.
我想买一个轻一点儿的行李箱。我想买一个轻一点儿的行李箱。我想买一个轻一点儿的行李箱。
I want to buy a lighter suitcase.
I want to buy a lighter suitcase.
这个盒子很轻，里面没有任何东西。这个盒子很轻，里面没有任何东西。这个盒子很轻，里面没有任何东西。
The box is very light and there is nothing inside.
The box is very light and there is nothing inside.
谢谢观看。